Okay, as you can see, Shiver secrets are really, really evil. You know, people just did the thing where they disconnected, right? And yeah, they're quite the adventure. Anytime something happens, you know. See, Zelda. Yeah, Princess Zelda, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, Pokemon. We're gonna have some Pokemon stuff going on too. To our good old thing, Drapple. Yeah, this is kind of scary for Drapple. Yeah, Drapple, man. The scary ideas they have with Drapple, right? Yeah. Pop goes as a weasel, pregnant females, just a bunch of crazy things, right? Uh huh. You know, oh man. This picture, I don't know where I'd rank this picture. I mean, it's a pretty picture, it's scary. It's just one of those things. I've saved something for you of this picture, okay? Wow, right? Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good, right? Yeah. This is kind of a scary picture, right? Yeah, it's a little scary. Bloody shoes. Shiver. Wow, right? Yeah. That one's good too. I like this one. This one's all right. Grower stuff. I like my grower stuff. There ain't no stopping us now. Da-da-na-na-na-na. Sad eyes and a hole. Very good game, Skyward Sword. Such a good game, man. That one's so messed up right there. I know, right? Gosh, that one's messed up. You are not allowed, Mario 64, to show them something so creepy. You are not allowed to do that. But alright. Gosh, man. Halves. We're going to go on a half marathon, aren't we? Yeah, we are. BP. I fear you a lot, BP. I know when you're around. We gotta get a new bra, ladies, right? We gotta get our angel bra.